Hi, I'm Josh Gilmore, Sales and Marketing Training Specialist here at Samas North America. In this short walkthrough, I'll show you where to find our new Sames personal space so you can access the tools, content, and resources designed to support your sales activities and strengthen your customer engagements. From the home page, move your cursor to the upper right corner and click Login to your personal space. If you do not already have an account, create a login to gain access to the personal space. Please note that access to documents and information may vary based on your role. Once you are logged in, and if you are a distributor, you will have access to a wide range of distributor-focused resources. Today, we will focus on the Media Library. This is where you can find sales tools and digital assets designed to support your customer conversations and marketing activities. Please keep in mind that the Media Library is a constantly evolving and growing resource, so we encourage you to check back regularly for new materials that can support your sales efforts. Simply select the category you would like to explore to access catalogs and brochures, customer and partner testimonials, logos, social media templates, corporate videos, and more. It really is that easy. Everything you need is just a few clicks away. We encourage you to take a look around and get a feel of the new space, and if you have any questions or need further support, please contact your Sames Regional Manager. And as always, we're here to help you simply apply the most efficient solutions with Sames.